really tried to come back a little bit ago, Oliver, but now it's really turning to the downside here.
Yeah, it really is. We saw, obviously, a launch pad last week on the back of some news out of Germany that there were some ASF concerns, and that propelled the market higher. And what was already a constructive chart, technically speaking, we got up, filled those gaps from earlier in the year in that February-March timeframe, and now coming off a little bit, and we're looking at this as a selling opportunity as well. The concern over the outbreak in Germany right now seems very minimal, and if you take into account that we had a serious outbreak in China and the market still sold off, I don't know that there's enough of a fundamental catalyst to keep this market going here in the near term. So we're looking to see a little bit of a retracement and fill these gaps that were left from last week.
All right. Think we'll do steady cash cattle this week?
Yeah, we're looking for about steady, and I really wouldn't be surprised to see it maybe firm up a little bit more, but all in all, we're looking for these futures contracts to come into a little bit more of a range. There's some resistance up here for December live cattle. For the November feeder cattle, we're looking to maybe potentially go fill that gap up near 145, 146. At that point, we're going to be looking at the sell side with some clients thinking that the upside is fairly limited from that point. So I think there's maybe a little bit more upward mobility here in the November feeders, but we're going to be using these rallies as a selling opportunity.